Welcome back, guys, to our Level Up series. In the Level Up series, we are also looking at the solutions of the contest. So let us look at today's LeetCode contest solutions. The very first question was, count the number of special characters 1. What does the question say? The question says, we are given with a string word and a letter is called special if it appears both in lowercase as well as in uppercase. We are provided with one string word, and if the characters of the present in that string word appears both in the lowercase as well as in the uppercase manner, then that particular letter is referred to as a special letter. What we need to do is we need to return the number of special letters in that particular word. Let us understand this particular question with the help of an example. First of all, see, we were given with the word as A, capital A, small b, C, capital B, capital C. I can clearly see small a occurs both in lowercase as well as in uppercase. At index 0, it occurs in lowercase. At index 2, it occurs in uppercase. Similarly, for the letter B, at index 3, it occurs in lowercase. At index 5, it occurs in uppercase. And C, it occurs at index 4, it occurs in lowercase. And at index 6, it occurs in uppercase. So I can clearly see all the three letters A, B, and C occurs both in lowercase as well as in uppercase. So all these letters A, B, and C are special letters. So what is the count of these special letters? There are total 3 special letters present. So we are going to return 3. In example number 2, there is no uppercase letter present. So it means there is no letter as special. Only lower cases are present. So we are going to return 0. In the similar way, in example number 3, I can clearly see that only small b is present both in uppercase as well as in lowercase. So it is a special letter, so I will return 1. A is present only in lowercase, whereas C is present only in uppercase. So A and C will not be recognized as a special letter. So I am going to return output as 1. So what is the approach that I am going to follow? I have created 2 vectors. One is my lowercase vector and one is my uppercase vector. I know there are 26 letters. So I have initially taken the size of the vectors as 26 and I have initialized each and every index as 0 because till now they have not occurred even once. So initially I have initialized all the indexes as 0. Then I have computed the length of my string, that is int length equals to word dot length. I have made one loop which is iterating through all the characters. If any uppercase character occurs, so what I'm going to do, if word at the index of I is greater than or equal to capital A and in word at the index of I is lesser than or equal to capital Z, it means the letter is an uppercase letter. What will happen in this particular case is uppercase at the index of word at the index of I minus A plus plus. For A is matching, capital A is matching to 0th index. Capital B is matching to first index. So this word at the index of I minus A is helping us to calculate its index. So that index will get incremented. Similarly, if it is a lowercase letter, that lowercase vector index will get incremented. Small a is pointing to 0th index, small b is pointing to the first index. Once this loop gets completed, I have maintained one answer variable to store the number of special letters. Initially, I have assigned it as the value 0. Then I will iterate through my 26 indexes that for int I equals to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus. If lowercase at the index of I is greater than 0 and uppercase at the index of I is greater than 0. What does it mean? The letter present at the ith index occurs both in lowercase as well as in uppercase. Exists both in lowercase as well as in uppercase. So what will happen in this particular case, that particular letter is a special letter. So what I will do, I will increment my value of answer, that is ANSW plus plus. And at the end, I am going to return the answer variable. So in the answer variable, what will get stored? The number of special letters present in that particular string word. So I hope the question is clear to you all. If the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.